ఆలస్యం చేయకుండా పిలిచేద్దామా రామ్ని. తెలుగు ప్రేక్షకులు మహానటి సినిమాలోని జమినీ గణేషన్ని కూడా అక్కడ ప్రేమించారు. అండ్ ఇప్పుడు ఈయన ఏం పుస్తకాలు చదివారో, లేకపోతే నాన్నగారి సినిమాలు చూసారా, లేదా తనదంటూనే స్వయంగా ప్రాక్టీస్లో వచ్చిందో తెలియదు, కానీ ప్రతి పాత్రకి ప్రాణం పోసిన మన దుల్కర్ తెలుగులో చేసిన, హిందీలో చేసిన, తమిళ్లో చేసిన, మలయాళంలో చేసిన పాత్రకి ప్రాణం పోసేటువంటి యాక్టర్ దుల్కర్ సల్మాన్ గారికి స్వాగతం పలుకుతూ మరొకసారి. అండ్ రామ్, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
First and foremost, many thanks to all of our global darling Prabhas Garu. It's so special to have you here and to just grace us with this presence. And I know everybody is dying to know about Project K. I had the good fortune of just peeping into the set, and I guarantee you it is going to change Indian cinema forever. I don't think anybody is thinking the way Nagi is, and I think only Prabhas Garu can give directors like Nagi the wings to dream so big. So I can't wait. I'm sure none of you can either. It's going to be spectacular. This is it's bittersweet because it's the end of this long journey that's been Sita Ramam. I would like to start with the entire family at Vaijayanti Films. Swapna, you know I love you to bits. You are my superhero woman. You are Wonder Woman and all these superhero women put into one. I keep telling my team back in Kochi that what my wife also helps us out in the company, my entire team of boys, what all of us do, you do as one person. So I feel like there's nothing you cannot do. Dutt Garu, first of all, I love you. I know people keep telling me I'm charming, but I think the most charming man I know is Dutt Garu. He's always going to make you smile. He's always got only affection and warmth for everybody he meets, especially his actors and people on his film. So just seeing you every day on Sita Ramam used to give me the motivation to come, wake up and come to set, because I know I'll see you. And all the times we spent together, I'll never forget. Coming to Hanusa, I feel like you're a true artist. I feel like you have these beautiful dreams, and you'll do anything to make them come true. I'm so glad you gave me the chance to be a part of that dream. I could see this mad, frenzied, almost crazy passion that you have for Sita Ramam. I'm genuinely concerned what you're going to do from day after, from August 5th, because there's no more Sita Ramam to complete or finish or work or tweak or write. I've seen this film grow so beautifully. Usually I've seen first drafts, sometimes they get worse, but I feel like every time Hanusa got some more time, I think every corona wave gave him some more time with the script, and the film only became better, only became more beautiful. So thank you, Corona. One good thing you did. It has been the most amazing journey to shoot this film. I had many firsts on this film. I got to see so many parts of my India that I've never seen. I got to see Kashmir and Spiti and all of this, while also paying homage to all of our Jawans, all of our army men, because I got to play Ram. I don't know if there's anything much left to be said about the film, because everybody's told you. But I think there is a visible confidence that all of us have, this whole team, that reflects in the way we speak, in the way we promote the film, that we all believe in this film. We believe this is genuine, this is special, this is going to be something you won't forget. And I feel like it'll outlive all of us who made this film. And I think those are the most special kind of films. Coming to my wonderful Sita Mahalakshmi, I cannot imagine anybody else. You are imprinted in my mind, and you're going to be imprinted in the audience's hearts forevermore as Sita Mahalakshmi. I mean, I think your own name is going to have competition. But it's been so wonderful to shoot with you. It's been so wonderful to see you off camera and to see you transform as Sita every time they call action. I know how much effort you've put into this, how sincerely you work towards getting Sita right. And we are great partners in crime. And I love every bond, every moment that Ram and Sita spent in this film. I think it's going to go down as one of the most evergreen pairings and an on-screen couple for sure. So thank you for that. You really made this so much more special. Coming to my dearest Sumantanna, I found an elder brother because all my other brothers in Telugu are like somewhat younger or my age. They're all bros. But I found a true Anna in Sumantanna when I started filming this movie. I don't know if the word is bigger, greater, whatever, but the most thorough gentleman that I know is Sumantanna. He's such a talent, and he's only done hero roles. And the first time that I think he chose to do something like Vishnu Sharma shows his love for cinema, his belief in the movies and the roles he wants to play, and the courage he shows, the risks he wants to take. I think this is one of the most complex characters in the film, and you played it with such nuance and such grace. So for that, I can't wait for them to watch you on screen. And actually, secret aside, there was another major love story that was going on in this film was between me, a bromance was between me and Sumantanna. So thank you for that. Tarun, you are phenomenal in the film. Every time you come on screen, you've made me laugh. And I've seen this movie many times because I've been dubbing it in 3 languages. So Tarun is the welcome break every time you want to smile. I think he'll come on screen and people will start smiling. That's like, you're a spoiler basically. Like, you're announcing, some laughs coming as soon as you enter frame. So I am so amazed that you're a writer, director, and that you're so talented and you have so much personality on screen. I think that's so important for an actor. And I hope you continue to keep acting. It's been such a privilege to work with you. And I think I've covered everything. Nagi, thank you for all the kind words. I teared up just a little bit. And that video was amazing. I know I fussed. I said, I don't want to shoot this video. I'm doing interviews. What is this you're doing? I didn't even understand what he had in his mind. But it was so lovely, and it's such a nice message. And it's so important for the audience to come to cinemas. Because the entire team of Sita Ramam has conceived this film for a cinematic experience. It's been shot like that. It's been performed like that. It's so larger than life with this kind of music and all of its technical qualities. So I urge all of you, I request all of you. I'm so sorry I'm speaking so much English, but next time Telugulo matladam. But yeah, please watch it in cinemas. And day 1, please don't spread any of the spoilers. Let everybody enjoy the film for the first time. I feel like it's something that'll unravel so beautifully like a book. So enjoy it like that. I hope I haven't missed out anyone. If I have, I'm sorry. Lots of love to the entire team, and the entire crew, the technical crew and cast of Sita Ramam. And I'm so sad it's over. I'm going to miss you guys. Thank you.
We are going to miss you too, but no, we'll watch you on theaters on August 5th.
When are we acting together, Sumagar?
What did you say?
Let me at least twirl you once.
Wow! Wow! Done. We acted together. Thank you so much. That was so humble of you. And మీరు ఇంకా చాలా తెలుగు సినిమాలు చేయాలి అని మేము మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాం. See you more and more in films and Telugu films more. Thank you.